acquisition of one unit mini fire truck for improved disaster preparedness and rapid emergency response in the amount of 5 million pesos. Not everyone is chosen by God to become a leader. So when He decides to give you that task, accept it with all your heart. Ask for His guidance and wisdom, and do the job at your best at all times. When I entered the world of politics as other and aspiring politicians, my dream was to help alleviate the plight of my fellow Pinileños, especially the poor, to give them more opportunities to improve their status in life and a chance to be more active members of our community where they belong. As I stand before you at this moment as your municipal mayor, I always envision a progressive Pinili where every Pinileño enjoys a life that is free and full of opportunities. This is still my dream and will keep on dreaming until I can make it a reality. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, every start and end of my day, I never stop thinking of ways to realize this dream. I am confident, though, that I can make this come true because I have the best team under my administration. These achievements are the fruits of our collective efforts, hard work, and of course, our love for our town. Let us continue working together. And hopefully, by 2025, first-class municipality ni Pinili, Ilocos Norte. Datay ito, ikababasitan nga ili, iti entero nga Pilipinas, nga agbalin nga first class. So let us all pray for that. Like I said earlier, not everyone is granted the role to lead. But given this chance, welcome the responsibility. And as the famous saying of John F. Kennedy, ask not what your country can do for you, rather ask what you can do for your country. Yes, fellow leaders, as elected officials, we have a very big responsibility on our shoulders. And given this opportunity, let us not waste it. Rather, let us use this power and authority to make Pinili great, if not the greatest town in Ilocos Norte. Let us lead our people and keep moving forward. Let me take this opportunity to thank everyone, starting with my partner, Honorable Maynard Francis R. Bumanglag, who is not just a friend, but also my advisor. Thank you, Vice. Leading our town is not that easy, but with you, it is. To all Sangguniang Bayan members, my deepest gratitude to all of you for all your support and assistance. Napinpintas ken nalaklaka nga talaga ti agtrabaho para itiili tayo. Gapo tinasayaat nga panagkakadwa tayo amin. And I thank you all for that. To all the department heads and employees of our local government, thank you for your obedience, loyalty, and integrity as public servants. Through your sacrifices and hard work, we have done a great job in the delivery of our services. To our DILG officer, Ma'am Cherise, thank you for being an outstanding mentor of LGU Pinili. Because of you, we are confident that we are doing our task effectively. To our barangay officials, thank you for helping and assisting the local government in the implementation of our programs and projects for the welfare of our constituents. To our NGO partners, thank you that through you, our responsibilities are made possible and easier for the common good. Of course, to the SOMA team, as they wanted to be called, this report was made possible because of their collective and untiring effort. Thank you so much, Hazel, Silka, Makol, Mundang, and EJ. And to my Kakailians, join us in making Pinili not only a vision of progress, but a reality of success. This is not my town alone. This is your town. This is our town. Let us stand up to our name Pinili, the chosen town Pinili, the chosen people. As I stand before you, I welcome this responsibility with all my heart and soul. Rest assured that I will do whatever it takes to lessen the burden of the poor. So nga amoyo apo, before I go out my way to do my duties as your mayor, I pray to God for His guidance and wisdom, and that never fails to strengthen me. And I always say to myself, Rommel, rise up and reach out to your people and help them. Motivate and manage your manpower and be an example of great and excellent leader to every Pinileño. Road to a better life. Only through this can you achieve Ranyag ti Masakbayan. Basta ken ni Rommel, awan ti malabasan, amin maikan. Only in Pinili, ladies and gentlemen. And before I finally end my speech, join me in saying these words. Together we say, be proud that you are a Filipino. Be prouder that you are an Ilocano. but the proudest that you are a Pinileño. Thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat.